I wish I could make kebab by myself. Why is it so popular in some countries? Why is it addictive with using it only once? For reaching to these answers, stay with me. Hello my friends. Today in this video I want to teach you how to make kebab from A to Z. You just need to stay with me. Before starting, subscribe our channel and do not forget to like the video. Let's go! At first we have to mince some onions. I will write the exact amount in the description. Then we get onions water. And add it into a pot. Add a mixture of 60% lamb's shoulder and flanks 40% in a pot. If you don't have it, you can buy a mixture of mutton meat and keema beef. Here we have some chicken schnitzel that we want to make them into pieces. And now we have to mince the schnitzel. Then mix the minced schnitzel with meat and onion. Then it's time to add spices such as black pepper, red pepper and salt to the pot. I write the exact amount in the description. You have to add these spices in 3 times, each time for 30 or 60 seconds to mix them well. For the second time, add the spices and mix them. Before adding the spices for the third time, add some brewed saffron to the pot. Mix them. And now add the spices for the third time. Mix them well. Then you need to mince them together. And knead them for 1 or 2 minutes. Then you need to mince them again. And knead them again. Mince them for the 3rd time. And knead them 1 more time. Two hours passed. We want to skewering the kebab. We used 100 grams for skewering. If you want, you can use more. And knead it for 5 or 10 seconds. Let's go for skewering it. You need to splash water on your hands in order to skewer kebab better. Be careful, knead them exactly like the video, otherwise your kebab will disintegrate on the fire. Let's watch the skewering and kneading the kebab for 1 more time. Put the kebab in the refrigerator for half an hour and 1 hour and cover them. One hour passed and it's time to cook the kebabs. We have to light the barbecue and put the kebabs on it. If you want to grill them very well, you need to use a handy fan and turn them each 30 or 40 seconds. Our kebab is ready, and now we add it into a pot with butter and tomato and let it be there for 2 seconds. Then add bread to it and put it on fire, then put kebab on bread. Add some butter and tomato to it. Fresh vegetable, some thyme, and some sumac. Wrap the sandwich like this and put it in the cooking oil pot. It can be served as a dish too. Add some pepper and some pickle to the dish. If the consumer wants, butter and tomato will be added too, and also a spoon of cooking oil on the kebabs. Don't leave the video. Like the video if it was useful and write for me in the comments and tell me, have you ever ate kubi the kebab or not? And if you want to get familiar with an outdoor restaurant, do not lose this video. See you again.